Welcome to another video from Dr. Lock. So these are 6 megapixel IP cameras we've been putting throughout the workshop, and they're great. They've got good infrared, they've got sound on them, they all go through the network, so they're really good. And this is pretty much what they look like installed. These are actually only 4 megapixel cameras, and they're coming in quite cheap. We have these ones on just basically so, if anyone comes through the door or anything, we can see exactly if anything moves or anything like this, because we carry a lot of stock and keys and things, and often things can go missing as, just as quick as you put them on the shelf, they can go missing or get lost and things. So this is what it normally looks like, but the other day when I opened up the door, this is what it looked like, and I thought, something's changed. So I've got a box of about 500 keys, which is pretty much hit the floor, and I've got a few locks on the ground too, and I'm thinking, who's done this? Why has this happened? So this is where I go back to the security cameras and have a look and see kind of what's going on. Okay, so the best way to find out what happens to go over the footage. Now it's a ghost story, but it's not really like the Patrick Swayze one where clay's flying, and but things did move there too. It's more of one of those ones where things all of a sudden just move, and whether or not it's somebody moving them or a ghost, you can leave your thoughts down in the comment section. Alright, so here, let's get into the footage. Now, we've sped it up just to show you this is 6 times faster than what it normally is, and this is just basically to show you nothing's moving, and this is a zoomed out view, so you can see I've got a lot more cleaning to do, and you can see the condition of everything. And now we get into where the real action is, and we go down to normal speed. So it's normal speed at the moment, not much is happening, and in about a second or two we're going to see exactly how it got to it. Okay, there we go. So 3 boxes decided to jump off the shelf, hit a key box, and spill keys all over the ground. I'll watch it just one more time. And I know what you're thinking. Let's just have a closer look at those boxes. Let's do it one more time. And same thing happens. 3 boxes come off, they break into the ground. And this is at normal speed right now. This is just normal speed. That's it in reverse. Okay, so let's slow it down to 30% in reverse. So this is 30%. I wish that all those keys would pack themselves up like that. That looks really cool. And locks are back on the shelf. Okay, and now let's go forward at 30%, and this is where these boxes decide to take a turn. Now they are slightly hanging over, but not by much. So the majority of the weight is at the back. So that's kind of interesting. And I know what you're thinking. There's a ghost out there that's having a bit of fun, just like pickup sticks. You throw them all over the ground, you watch people pick them up. Yeah, well, for locksmiths, I guess if you dump 500 keys on the ground, it would be the same effect, not much fun. So anyway, do we have a ghost? Don't we have a ghost? Leave your comments down below. Are we haunted by the screen door lock ghost, or are the locks just defective and fall off the shelf? I don't know. The keys were just a casualty of war, of course, but geez, they really amplified it. That's our video for today. Let us know what you think. Thanks for watching.